Hey techs, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how to add the City Digital Clock widget to the iPhone's lock screen. To do this, touch and hold any empty section of a home screen. Click on Add Widgets, scroll down and click on Clock. Swipe to the left until you see City Digital and tap on the icon. Now tap on the time. You will see all available cities. Select a location. If you want to add another clock, repeat the steps. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one.